Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.
Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. We have the world's largest watermelon grown in 2018, and little Bubba Jackson is going to slice it up for us. What do you say, little Bubba? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Get back, Bubba. Don't take a knife to a gunfight.
All right, what do you got for us? Oh my God, look it. Check out that melon.
Damn.
Oh, splash. Wow. The humanity, the vegemanity. Oh my God. What do we got? What do we got here? Oh no, Bubba found me. All right, welcome back. Come to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com and get all your seeds and needs for growing your giants. You too can be a giant in your growing community. Oh, thank you very much. You are. We just cut open a 327-pound giant watermelon. Paul, how's it taste?
Great.
Is it good?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, baby. What do you say, Bubba Presley?
Yeah, yummy.
Yummy. All right. Oh, no. It's Mr. Bill. Check it out. We got to get the seeds. We're going to de-seed this for my friend Chris.
It is good.
And here we go. It is good? Got good flavor? All right, man. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, and you too can be a giant in your community. Oh, no, Bubba. Say it ain't so. It's so, Mr. Bill. It's so.
Don't you grow